Hey guys, today we're going to be making sesame snaps or sesame squares or sesame snack, whatever you want to call it. Basically, you just need some sesame seeds, some honey, and some butter, and you've got yourself a delicious dessert or snack that's very easy to make and so freaking good. Add a quarter cup of butter with about 2 tablespoons of honey into a pot and bring it to a rolling boil. As soon as it's boiling, you're going to add 2 cups or about 300 grams of sesame seeds and mix it all until it's well combined. Place that onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and spread it out really thin using a spatula, and then bake at 350 for a few minutes, anywhere from 4 to 8 minutes, but keep a really close eye on it because it tends to burn really quickly. Then let it cool completely before slicing. I wish you guys could smell this. You could probably use a knife and cut these into actual squares, but so freaking good. I don't like this one. I had a thing on my lip.
No, it's good.
Let me try. Tell me.